always like to see YouTube videos of products when I'm trying to decide if I should buy them or not, so now I'm also making one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing, or just showing honestly, the packing cubes from Ikea. As far as I know, they only recently started to be sold in Portugal. I don't know how this is going in the rest of Europe. Why is my phone here? And when I was trying to decide if I should buy them or not, I couldn't find any video showing them. So here they are. 3 of them come with a mesh top, and 3 of them are completely gray and they don't have this type of mesh. So this for me is already a problem. But let's go by parts. So the FÖRFINA packing cubes cost 8 euros in Portugal and can be purchased online or in a physical store of Ikea. Just like any other of the products, I think. They come in sets of 6. So starting by the big one, it has 34 by 25 and 9 centimeters in height, and I just think that this is too big. I buy packing cubes to have my things compressed. I only see use in this when, for example, you're moving, so there are a lot of clothes that you could bring, or when it is a winter holiday because the clothes are going to be more bulky. Most of my travels are for warm destinations, so I don't need this much space. Next, they bring 2 medium ones. And these medium ones, the measurements are 26, 16, 9. So I think that they are of a really good size. One has a mesh top and the other doesn't. And when you have like 2 packing cubes that are of the same color, I think that it's important that they have something different just for you to distinguish them without having to look inside or to look through the mesh to try to understand which clothes are inside. Lastly, the small ones, the measurements are 26, 9 and 3. These ones, 2 of them are with the top in mesh, 1 isn't. Now on to the material. This is all 100% polyester, so there isn't much to say. These ones, they don't breathe. Like if I pack them with air inside and I close the zip, I can clearly see that there is air inside, that it's not coming out. I actually need to have the zipper a little bit open whenever I'm using them so that the air can go in and out. This problem doesn't happen with mesh. On top of that, they cannot be washed in a machine. They need to be washed by hand. One thing that I don't like is that there is only one zipper, so that means that it's only in one side, and when you have more stuff, it will be harder to close. However, I have to say that these packing cubes take up a lot of things inside. For example, for my last backpacking trip, I even took the same packing cube with inside the smaller packing cube with all my underwear, and it closed up just fine. Like, it is really good. I just have 2 main things that I would say about these packing cubes. So one, I think that it should be reversed. I think that we should receive 2 of these ones and 3 of the middle ones, because honestly, these are the ones that are the most functional and that I am going to use the most. And the second thing is, I don't think that it is useful for me to have 3 of the small ones where 2 are with the top in mesh and 1 isn't. Because I am going to use the smaller ones for either beachwear or underwear, so I don't want it to be see-through. And if I don't wear it for clothes, I'm going to use it to smaller things. I am really afraid that they are going to come out like parts of it through the holes, and that this is going to be just ruptured. I still recommend these packing cubes. At least in Portugal is one of the only places where you can buy packing cubes right now. And for 8 euros, these are fine. That's it. I just want the internet to finally have a video about the actual version that Ikea is selling right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Subscribe to this channel if you want more content about minimalism, traveling and planning. Beijinhos!